Here's part 2 of the Lobola list explained. Mombeye Mai. The absolute most important part of this stage. A live cow given to the mother-in-law that is expected to reproduce as proof that the union is blessed. Matekenyandeb, meaning the pulling of the beard. A light-hearted but respectful payment to acknowledge the father for putting up with their daughter's playful antics when she was a little girl, sitting on his lap. Rusambo, the ultimate, most critical stage of the dowry. This is the main bride price, traditionally cattle, now frequently cash, that seals the marriage. If this isn't paid, the whole process becomes null and void. Mari yekunonga or mari inonongwa. Money to be picked up, an allowance placed on the plate for the bride to pick up herself, which she often uses for household or cooking utensils, or shares with their sisters. Mbudzi yechishava, a live goat brought by the groom's party, that is slaughtered, cooked, and eaten by everyone to celebrate the successful conclusion of the ceremony. Majasi, the gift of formal clothing that the groom is expected to buy for his new in-laws once the main bride price is settled. Kupinzwa mumusha, the official moment the groom is welcomed into the family home as a son, marked by the traditional respectful clapping greeting, Gosho or Gusi.